Hello everyone. Alright, so I'm going to kind of walk you through the next portion of the still life unit. So if you had chose to do the grid method, whether it be scaled up or if you were to just keep the size exactly the same as the original, however, whichever it is, you should have already posted this so that I can see which setup you did decide to use. Now you're going to just take it one box at a time. Remember to label with letters across the top, numbers down the left side. So now I'm going to just literally take it. If I look, B1, the box there is where, so I kind of want to see also how far away from the corners of that box, and is it touching any of that frame of that square. So how far down in the box does that actually come? So it comes about halfway. So B1 is right here. Again, I'm going to use my skills of the 4 forms. So this is a very narrow cylinder. Okay, I'm using just a regular pencil, which will work. So I watch the neck of the bottle come down, and then it starts to kind of get that swooped curve in about 3C. So I'm going to bring that down. And then it stops about right there because that candle is about to get in the way of it. So this also comes down. I look, does it touch the corner here? Not yet, so I'm going to make sure I bring it down. I get a little bit of the top of that box in 3A, and then it starts to come on that curve down 4. Alright, so now I'm going to bring this line all the way down. It comes down to about box 8. And if I look, it's actually touching 8B's bottom line. So I want to make sure I replicate that right there. So this is for the wine bottle. I do get that little curve for the label. I do get multiple curves for the top. Of that label there too. Alright, so now the candle starts in 4C and D. Again, this is just a basic cylinder shape. So I'm going to try to copy that there. It does go a little bit into the B column. So I'm going to make sure I'm placing it exactly where I see it. Alright, this kind of travels down. Actually, I went a little too far out there. And this actually touches all the way at the bottom of 9, so it's actually going to end here. I do get this little ribbon, which is on 5 and 6. Remember, anything that is on these forms, they have to follow the contour of the curve that it was. Actually, this one is not correct. It should be going this way. So if the top of the bottle curved that way, then these also need to mirror that direction, again, to enhance that illusion, because everything we're drawing here is an illusion on a 2D surface. We want to try to make it 3-dimensional, and once we add value, we will enhance that illusion even more. Alright, so if I look at my last jug, again, now I want to also think about how I am massing those forms. So this is actually a sphere. This jar could be a sphere with a little bit of a cylinder on top.